from across the nation. It's America's music on Sing Out America.
Oh, ye weary of every tribe, get your ticket for this airplane ride. Jesus, our Savior, has come to reign, to take us all to glory in his aeroplane.
Now one of these nights might be 12 o'clock. This old world, she's going to reel and rock. For sinners will tremble and cry in vain, and the Lord will come in his aeroplane.
Oh, ye weary of every tribe, get your ticket for this airplane ride. Jesus, our Savior, has come to reign, to take us all to glory in his aeroplane. There'll be no more punchers on muddy roads, no broken axles from overloads,
but no spark plug troubles to cause delay.
as we soar in rapture up the